it's running rich. But when you go to hit the gas, it don't want to go. See? See if it stayed as what I wanted it to. I don't even know where the hell I'm going right now. I don't know these things very well at all. Performance? No. Might have been the performance one. Oh, let me get the codes first. Function problem, blow by, okay. And P2102. What's it? What the fuck, blow by? That's probably bad. Goddamn there we go. I wanted to adjust, see if my idle adjustment stayed. Yeah, it did. Like shit. Now that blow-by's got me concerned. Fucking great. Trying to get back to the goddamn. There we go. No. As you can see, I'm not very good at this tuning. Oh, Jesus Christ, you can't see nothing. So is that running rich? I don't know. What's boost supposed to read? I don't know. Wish it would fucking. I do want to fucking get this thing running though. Yeah, she's starting to come out of it. When she gets, seems like when she warms up a little bit, you can catch it.